बाणावलीचे आदले आमदार आणि गोयचे आदले खेळा मंत्री फ्रांसीस मॉन्क्रूज मंगळारा संवसाराक अंतरले. आदले खेळा मंत्री फ्रांसीस मॉन्क्रूजान तांच्या कार्यकाळांत फातोर्डेच्या नेहरू स्टेडियमाचें काम पुराय केल्ले. ते संवसाराक अंतरिल्ल्यान बाणावलीचो आमदार वेन्झी विएगस आनी तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचो आदलो फुडारी लुइझीन फलेरू हांणी दुख्ख उक्तायलें.
इट्स अ सॅड डे टुडे कित्याक आमगेलो बाणावलेचो एक्स MLA आनी गोंयचो मिनिस्टर बाब फ्रांसिस्को मॉन्तेक्रूज ही passed away and whole of Goa, whoever remembers him and who has worked with him are in a deep shock. कित्याक आज जे मनशांक डिव्हलपमेंट म्हणटाय तें कितें एक 180 डेजां भितर येदोल फातोर्डा स्टेडियम जो बांदलो आहा जो आज देखून हाल्लो ना मोडना and that too at the time when there used to be limited resources, manpower was at a different level of style. तेन्ना त्या मनशान हो development structure करून दाखयलो. He'll be always remembered for that. He also had a vision about water. तेणे एक पाट म्हणलें की आपल्या मिनिस्ट्री दियात आनी आपण गोंय उदकान बुडोवन दाखयतलो, which means scarcity of water will never happen in Goa. And he had that thought process of doing something different. I'm privileged to have his blessings before my elections. I was privileged to honor him in my constituency a couple of times. I took that opportunity.
खूब दुख जाता. आयज सकाळी बाब मॉन्क्रूज सोंपले. जरी तर ते आयज आमचे बरोबर ना, तांचो वाव, तांचें कार्य, तांचें काम जे ताणें गोंयचे पासत भोव करून खेळाच्या मोडार जें केलें त्या गोंयच्या इतिहासान सदांच उरतलें. Bob Montrose is immortalized by his construction of a stadium, a state-of-art complex in Goa at Fatorda. In fact, he completed that stadium within a record time. I remember in 1980, when I became the MLA for the first time of Naveli constituency. In 1980, Fatorda was part of Naveli constituency, and we had only 30 constituencies. So as a young MLA, when I happened to be a member of the Town and Country Planning Board, I brought 5 major projects for Naveli constituency in Fatorda. Judiciary complex, Kadamba complex, market complex, sports complex, and Kala Academy complex. In fact, on 19th of November, on the occasion of birth anniversary of our then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, we put a foundation stone at this Fatorda complex to start the major complex. Nothing happened. It is only when Montrose became a minister of sports, he took that as a challenge. He completed the stadium within a record time. Of course, the government of India, and that time Mrs. Margaret Alva was the Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Affairs. So a lot of help came from the government of India, but he personally saw that he completed the project within a record time.